Hello again, welcome to another video. Just like to show you this super spec little Kia Picanto Automatic. Just come in, nice low mileage car. All nice and clean inside. Plenty of room in the back for a small car. It's got the alloy wheels. It's got the parking sensors on the rear. There you go, decent amount of load space. And under there you got your spare wheel, jack, toolkit, etc. Limited edition Halo model. Comes with some great spec. So let's just take a look. Got the power fold door mirrors, electric windows, heated steering wheel, 2 remote keys with it. Nice low mileage car. 26,000 miles with a full service history. It's got the radio CD. It's also got the Bluetooth connectivity for your phone. Voice activated if you want, and then you've got radio controls there as well. Automatic transmission, 4-speed. It's got the auxiliary input, USB input, and the 12-volt power socket there as well. Heated seats. If you can see them down there, we go. 2 level heated seats. Air conditioning. That's all working nicely. It's got full service history with it and all the handbooks all there. Yeah, very well equipped for a small car. Let's take it back outside. It's got the daytime running lights, LEDs. So if you're looking for a nice bright little low mileage automatic, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thank you again for watching.